What's up guys, Shawn here. So we're back in the backyard and they've been doing a lot of construction since the last flight plan that I've shared with you guys. So I just wanted to share my flight with you this morning. It's a pretty nice morning. It is March 3rd of 2020. And as you can see, they have done a lot with the woods behind my house. They have torn the woods down, they've added rock, they've done some demolition, there's been dynamite going on. So what we're going to do is we're going to use my Backyard 6 flight plan that I built back in the fall. And yeah, we're just going to run through it. I hope you guys enjoy the flight.
In your head, seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. I know I am nobody to you, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. I don't even know what to get in your head. Seeking your attention, but simple instead. Cause I hope you look my way, but no, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Feeling every day like I'm going insane. Cause you and I are something I wish for every day. So I hope you look my way, but yeah, you didn't even see me gaze yesterday. Cause I know I am nobody to you, and it feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Just like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Oh, really like that. Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Slow it down. Oh. Cause I know I am nobody to you. It feels just like you want me to go now. But I hope you slow it down, hope you slow it down. Cause what I really need is your time. So will you like me like that? Will you like me like that? Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. Like me like that. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Like me like that. No, just like that. No, like me like that. Never up, never down, never like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again.
Alright guys, so that was my flight on this brisk March morning. I'd say it's about 50 degrees out. You know, the sun has only been up for about a half hour, getting ready for work, so I thought I'd just go out and run this flight plan while I was making some coffee. I love the Parrot Anafi. I love flight plan. I love how easy it is. And my plans for this video is this exact same flight plan was run back in the fall when there was beautiful leaves going on and there was actually woods behind my house. So I'm going to take the two videos and show you kind of a time lapse between the two. So there's one video that I took maybe back in October, and this was taken in March, and I used the exact same flight plan, so my drone is in the exact same GPS location. And I'm going to show you some fun things that you can do with that. This happens to be an amazing example, and it wasn't a plan because I didn't know that the woods were going to go away. But I have a flight plan with the woods there, and then I have a flight plan without the woods. So pretty excited about doing more flight plans with this exact same plan because they're going to build houses there. So I'm going to be able to show you the woods, and then the demolition, and then houses. So I hope you guys like this video. Please like, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell for notifications when I put out more videos about the Parrot Anafi, drones in general, or just action cameras. Have a wonderful day, guys. Peace out.